Hello, my lovely hillbillies. We're fixing to do an unboxing. I got in today. I did open this one because I couldn't remember what it was because I've got so much stuff coming from eBay and Wish, Amazon, and some other people. And then I got this. So let's do this first. This is supposed to be another cat eye gel. And if I can get it open. I need to be doing my nails. Woo. And this one is, see what it says. LA01. It's a 9D. And it is Nail Vision. Let's see. I'll do it on top so we can use our little thingamajiggies. Ooh. That is thick and beautiful. I don't know, and it's sticky. It's like a green. You're gonna need more than one coat of this. I'm gonna hit it up real quick. Oh, that's so pretty. And then we're gonna keep doing it. Cause you can't really see it. Alright, we're gonna keep going. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. It's like a green and a rose gold. And it's thick. Really thick. I guess I should have put it over another color. I guess that's what I should have did. Maybe I should have used the white stick. I have a white one. This one's a clear one. I'm gonna put it back in there. Let's get this clear one. Try it. I mean the white one. So that's any better. It's thick like a builder gel. And it is two different colors, I can tell. Make sure I got enough on there. It's doing it now. Yeah, it's going to work on that one better than this one. Because that one have to have a base underneath it, I guess. Like a white or black or something in that category. I'm going to put one more coat on it and do it again and see. Get rid of that. That's trash. I can't wait to get in this box. I know what it is, but I just ain't opened it because I ordered it myself. I paid for it, and I paid for that too. I think I paid like 69 cents for it. I won it in an auction on eBay. I love doing the auctions. I'm gonna do it one more time. I believe I've got some coming from Amazon. 2 different kinds. Oh, that is so pretty. I hope like hell y'all can see this. And it's actually giving me the 2 tones too. You see that? How pretty that is. Alright, let's nook it, put it in the oven and then top coat it. I'm ready to get this box. I didn't have the money to order it. This what's in this box. But I did it anyway. I did it anyway. I'm gonna use my Salon Big top coat. See the 2 different tones? Well, it looks like it's got 3. Top coat it. Oh, that stinks. That's really pretty. Let me know what you think. Oh, cool. It's nice sticky. Alright. I don't need this anymore. Get it out of here. Get it out of here. I'm ready to get in this box. Something on my table is rattling. I have no idea what the hell it is. Are you freaking kidding me? This did not take very long at all to get to me. So this place must be really, really close to me. I don't have a Beverly Hills, California. it. And I used somebody's discount code too, I think. And I got it for like $20 something. What is it? It's a bottle. It's a bottle. I got a bottle. Oh, what the hell am I doing? I don't know. But I got one. Yay. Says thank you. We hope you enjoy your purchase. And you can follow them on Instagram and Facebook. Whoop, whoop. Pink tissue. Now I'm supposed to have ebony and ivory. Okay, I'm not sure there's nothing else on this tissue. Oh, there is right there. Oh, and there is right there too. Bubble wrap. Save that for the babies. Alright, looks like we got 2 sticks, 2 brushes, and 4 balls. And this says plasma gel, one step builder. Okay. The packaging, look at the package. It is so pretty. Works like a bottle, feels like a pot. Okay. Container. Contents: applicator brush, cap, mini cap, glass base, crystal one, and mixing marbles. Oh, unless I sent extra ones because there's one on top. Oh, no. That's a thingamajiggy. Ooh, it's a wand. Look at that. You could use it for all kinds of mixing stuff. And I have 2. Okay. Oh, wow. And it's empty. I guess where you fill it up. And this is supposed to be a brush. Okay, there we go. Cool. Oh, I like that. And it shows you on the thing there too. Okay, I don't remember. That must be ebony. This is ivory. I got them both for like, I'm going to say $23. $24 at the most. Which, that wasn't bad. And I don't remember what code I used either. They didn't send me a thing back. Oh, they even sent me glitter. I didn't see the glitter. I want to check that out. Okay, that one's empty too. It opens just like the other one. Cool. You know, I might ought to save one of these boxes to put stuff in. I know. Yeah. No. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, we better. But from what I understand is that you can use any kind of glitter, and that's a pretty glitter too. No, I don't think I'm going to do that. I got a thing I'm going to put them in it. See, I can't even make up my mind in case I decide to order some more of these. And, let's get into this. Get off my finger. I guess I'm assuming it's gel. I don't know why they call it plasma gel. That's what it says. I'll move it over there. Oh, there we go. So let me mix it in there. I can mix it in here. There's nothing in it. Oh, yeah. Oh, shit. Yeah, there is, too. It don't really smell. Okay. Yeah, I thought there wasn't nothing in it. Doesn't it look like there ain't nothing in it? Okay, I'll put this little tab right back on here, too. I do not want it to spill. Well, it ain't gonna go now, is it? Cracker. Okay. Sack of shoot. Knock everything down, Leslie. And this will be my pottle box. Remember, I got this for Christmas with that other stuff. And that's the glitter they sent me, which I will put it in here too. I'll put that in here. I'll put that in here. These will go in here. Oh, these are so beautiful. I'm going to put these in here until I get ready to do them. Let's see if I can put that card, if you just see it, if I did it that way. Not really. I'll probably just put it on top so we know what it is. Okay. Boo, boo, boo. I was gonna let you know that Breno hit me up tonight on Instagram and wants me to start doing reviews. I was like, hell yeah! So I told him that, you know, it'd be sometime this week before I could order, you know, and they said no problem. And I already know what I'm getting and everything. So, and that's going to be on the agenda for a review. But I've got some other stuff coming that I have to review. But other than that, I just can't get over that. That is so pretty. Tell me what y'all think. I don't know what, I'm gonna have to watch some videos on exactly how to mix, or go back to the website and check it out to see how to actually mix, because I don't want to mix something up and screw it up. So with that said, that's what I'm planning. So if you're new here, welcome, 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 welcome. As always, hit the like, subscribe button. And you know the drill, my hillbillies. Peace out.